Real estate investors, you may want to listen up to this one. Save 15 to 20% on your next real estate sale with this easy tip. If you are selling a property and you have made a lot of money on it over the years, then you owe a little bit of money to Uncle Sam, typically around 15 to 20%. You can pay that at sale, or you can defer, sometimes forever. 1031 exchange is a mechanism by when doing a commercial sale of a property, you're able to not pay the taxes legally. You can defer them for a later date. Obviously, there's a specific process to this, and I'm gonna go into that more into detail, but you typically have to buy like-for-like property. You have to have a commercial property, something that is income generating, and buy another commercial income generating property, typically of higher value. This way, all the money that you would have paid to Uncle Sam can be used to buy a bigger and grander property. First step in doing a 1031 exchange is putting your property up for sale. Second step is allocating typically up to 6 properties that you're looking to purchase. Once your property comes to the sale, you put in an offer on those properties, and one of them you choose and get an offer together. Once you get your offer together and you move forward with that, you have 180 days to close. It's a lot of information I threw at you so far. Let's break it down in terms of an example. Okay, so let's just say you bought a 5-unit building 5-10 years ago for $500,000. Now many years later, you're selling it for $1 million. So that's $500,000 you've made from your initial purchase. Typically, on everything that we sell, we have to pay taxes in real estate. Don't let Uncle Sam stop you from maximizing your investment. That's what you use the 1031 exchange for. You can keep all your money without giving the 15 to 20% portion over to the government, and use that 15 to 20% additional on top of the rest of your profits and proceeds to purchase the next property, making it that much grander, bigger, hopefully more cash flowing. This way, your position is stronger. You can keep deferring this tax responsibility indefinitely if you do it correctly. So with this little trick, you can keep all of your profit to yourself to purchase the next property, and then keep it going to buy the next one and the next one and the next one. And then hopefully, if you do it properly, you never have to pay capital gains tax.